Hello everybody. I am going to show you this First Alert photoelectric smoke detector, which I got from my cousin's house, and she no longer wanted it. And this alarm is 8 years old. It was manufactured on January 7, 2013. This is a First Alert. Again, the model number is SA710. Here are the instructions on how to operate the alarm, how to maintain it, and how to recognize its functioning. And First Alert is a brand of BRK, and they actually invented the first commercial battery-operated home smoke detector. Now the P right here stands for photoelectric. This type of alarm is very good at detecting slow smoldering fires that give off very large quantities of smoke, and such as those caused by electrical problems, ignition smoldering sources like cigarettes or space heaters. And it is recommended that you have both types of smoke alarms in your home. And they have alarms out there that have both types of sensors. They're both contained in one unit. Now you might be asking what this is. This is actually the battery drawer. This alarm takes a single 9-volt battery like most alarms do, and you can just put the battery into the alarm, into the drawer, and push it shut. Now, it's a little temperamental, but like this is an older alarm. I'm not going to officially use it. I'm going to get rid of it. But once the battery is in the alarm, you can shut the drawer. The drawer is designed so that it does not close until the battery is inside the device. There we go. And you can just simply test the alarm by holding this button, pushing it away from you,